Hi there, my name is Marijn Overvest and I'm the founder of Procurement Tactics. After a long career working in procurement in the corporate world, co-founder Ralf de Groot and I started Procurement Tactics. Why? First of all, because we love the profession of procurement, and secondly, because we really enjoy helping people to become better at their jobs in procurement. Basically, we empower procurement professionals to excel in their careers and achieve success. Let's be honest here. Gone are the days when procurement professionals had to retreat to a hotel for 3 or 4 days of training. Now, we have alternative methods to learn and improve, right? Our mission is to provide actionable online learning that equips procurement professionals with the skills and knowledge needed to drive great value for their businesses. We do this via self-paced online training in combination with coaching sessions. We offer various courses for specific needs, ensuring that every procurement manager is prepared for the future. We believe the future of procurement is built on mastering 4 skills: empathic negotiation design, analytical and strategic thinking, soft skills, and sustainable sourcing. Empathic negotiation necessitates a full understanding of your counterpart and the company behind it. Strategic thinking is the essence of actionable procurement plans. Soft skills allow you to build positive and long-lasting relationships with suppliers, and sustainability is key to building a future of circularity and remaining future-proof as a business. We celebrate diversity and inclusivity at Procurement Tactics. Our team comes from different cultural backgrounds. Individually, they bring unique perspectives and skills to the table. Our clients trust us to help them drive better procurement results, and we proudly support over 200 clients worldwide. We are committed to educating and empowering procurement professionals through self-paced courses and engaging team workshops. Our training programs blend specific expertise with indispensable business capabilities. Are you ready to shape the future of procurement together? We are, and we are looking forward to helping you and your team.